Okay, if your latch came out, excuse the door is dirty, workman, but my locking my handle came off to the inside of the car, and I can't unlock or open the door without rolling down the window and open it from the outside. But what happened was this little thing go up in here, and that runs to in the back of here to unlock the mechanism. Well, it's a little plastic piece back there, way back here, that came out. So I have to take this whole thing out because I can't reach my hand back there to lock it back in the clamp. So I got to pull this whole thing out just to put this in. Had to disconnect the outside latch and all that just to pull this out. So take those 3 bolts. It should slide forward. You got to unhook the other stuff on 06 Town and Country. Should work. 05, 04, same routine. Don't know how the hell it came out, but yeah, I had to look over there, take that apart just to see where the fuck it's hooked up at. So yeah, okay, that clamp, focus. That clamp right there holds that metal bar in. Well, it broke, so now I gotta take this whole thing out and figure out how to rig that up in there. Cause I'm not by a junkyard. I'm not about to drive 30 to 40 minutes to go get this damn thing. So I'm gonna rig this up in here somehow. Just one little plastic piece. See how these got these clamps on there to hold it in there? This one broken. And this is what pulls the door on the inside. So I gotta figure a way to rig that up. I'm not going to the junkyard. I'm pulling off a whole nother door. Now, unfortunately, I don't have a junkyard by me, so I can't just run up the street and grab a whole new one. This one is broken. So, yeah. Ugh. Okay, solution, zip tied. So now I can pull it. It's kind of hard for me to show you because I got one hand, but okay. Let's put 3 zip ties on there, and now I'm able to move it. And that ain't coming out. So I put 3 of them. Okay, so this door latch didn't work out. So it came off the minute I put it on there, so it didn't work. So what I ended up doing was going on Amazon. It was $3. Just ordering a whole set of them. It was $3. It would have been more for me to spend the gas to go all the way to the junkyard, then pull the door panel off just to get the one piece out. So I just went ahead and ordered this. It came the next day, so I'm just gonna use these ones, and hopefully these work. So took this apart. Now I'm glad I did order a set of these. This part broke too, and that goes on the inside of this. It's supposed to be like at the bottom like that. That broke too. What the fuck? Oh my god. Ugh. Alright, got it in with the new clip. Had to redo it because I had it on backwards and I didn't realize that. But now I just got to put the new part on here. Well, it's already clamped in now. I don't know if it's supposed to be that loose. I don't think it do. But let me do this and I'll be back. Alright, I had to glue this fucking thing now with hot glue. I know it's gonna melt, but I just needed to hold it together while I'm putting it in there, because when I put it up here, the latch had came back out. Well, unhooked from this. So, and there's no way I can get it back in there once it's in there. My hand's too short to even get in there. So, I just glued that part back on with hot glue so it won't come back off. I know it's gonna melt from the heat in the car, but I just needed to hold it in there for right now. Alright, so now it's fixed. Well, I'm supposed to do that, but let's see. Okay, well, regardless, it opens still when it's closed, when it's locked, but only I can unlock it. Open it from the inside. Like, I don't know why I was doing that. I shouldn't. Maybe that's a feature that's built into this car. I don't know. So, yeah, hot out here. But yeah. So that's how you change a lock, your latch that broke on a Town and Country 05 or maybe under. I don't know. It should be the same setup. Um, if if it's not opening, it's most likely that damn plastic piece that broke or came out. One of the two. But you get the idea. So, that's gonna be it. So till next time. Peace.